In this video, we are going to learn about rectangular coordinate system that has a horizontal line and a vertical line cross each other. The horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. So this is called the rectangular coordinate system. We also called it xy plane. It has different names: 2D plane, just a plane, a coordinate system, and we also call it Cartesian plane. So in this xy plane, we denote this with the positive x values 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 0, this point, and here we have negative x values. And for y-axis, here is 0, and this is the positive y values, and below we denote the negative y values. And make sure the scale is consistent on both x-axis and y-axis. And this point where x-axis and y-axis are meeting, this point has a name. It is called origin. So any point in xy plane, if you have xy plane, any point in xy plane can be written as an ordered pair xy, because this point corresponding to some value of x and it belongs to some value of y. If this is x, this is y, then the position of this point is noted as x comma y. Make sure the first coordinate represents the x value. Corresponding to this point, and the second coordinate represents the y value corresponding to this point. Okay, if I say this is my -1, -2, -3, -4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so this point corresponding to the x value 3 and the y value also 3, so the coordinate of this point will be 3 comma 3. And what will be the coordinates of this point? You see that the x value corresponding to this point is -2, so first coordinate of the ordered pair will be the x value, and the second point corresponding to the x value to this point will be the y value. Y value is 1. So the position in this xy plane, the position of this point in xy plane will be -2 comma 1. And now let's mark this -1, -2, -3, and if I ask you to plot 2 comma -3 in this rectangular plane, so you see that 2 is the x value and -3 is the y value. So it is this. So draw a vertical line here, and -3 is a y value. Draw a vertical line. Both lines are meeting at this point. So this point has the coordinates 2 comma -3. So always remember, when you draw any point, plot any point in an xy plane, the first coordinate always represents our x value and second coordinate represents the y value. And every point in the xy plane will be an ordered pair. where we will have x value and y value. And what will be the coordinates of this origin? The coordinates of the origin is x value is 0, y value is also 0. So 0, 0 are the coordinates of the origin. Now you see that in this xy plane, when we have two real axes, x-axis and y-axis, crossing at 0, 0, so we have four different sections. So we have the name for this section. This is called the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, x values are positive. These are the positive side of x-axis, and this is the positive y-axis. So x value positive and y values are also positive. We go counterclockwise. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant. And this is the fourth quadrant. In the second quadrant, you see that the x values are negative and y values are positive. So x values will be negative and y values will be positive. In the third quadrant, x values are negative. Any point here will have x value negative and y value will also be negative. Correct? So x will be negative and y will also be negative. In the fourth quadrant, you see that any point will have positive x value and negative y value. X is positive and y is negative. And if you have any point, suppose I ask you to plot a point (2, 0) or 0, 3 or -1, 0. If I ask you to plot these points, okay. So 2, 0, so let's plot this 2, 1. So x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. So this will be this point, 2, 0. So this point is on the boundary of the first and fourth quadrant. So we call it, this point doesn't lies in any quadrant. So it lies on x-axis. On x-axis. You can say positive x-axis or just x-axis. 0, 3. So this is 3. So x value is 0 and y value is 3. So this point 0, 3, this lies on y-axis. -1, 0. So x coordinate is -1, y coordinate is 0. So this is the point. So that is -1, 0. This point lies on again x-axis, or you can say negative x-axis. You can also say negative x-axis. So this is how any point in a rectangular plane is an ordered pair. So remember, the first coordinate is the x coordinate and second coordinate is the y coordinate. Thank you.